In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the idle detection API, which is a new feature just introduced in the recently released Chrome 94. Let's get to that tutorial. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once it's opened, select the three-dot menu, which is used to customize and control Google Chrome. Select it. Next, go down to Settings. Once this opens, the next thing you want is Privacy and Security. Select that one. Once this opens, scroll down until you see something that says Your Device Use. Select it, and under Default Behavior, it says sites can ask to know when you're actively using your device. This is the part that some have considered to be an invasion and a way of tracking you. So if you don't want it, you need to select Don't Allow Sites to know when you're actively using your device. Select it, and that takes care of this controversial new API. Your choice. As stated, this can be used or misused, and if you don't want it to be misused, turn it off. Google will ask you for permission before this is ever used, so you are warned when a site decides to use this API. But if you feel safer, turn it off. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.